Look, there are the birds. This bird, the lion. There's another bird. Oh, it has to be like this. Oh, I like the eagle. Did I have the eagle? Oh, this is the eagle. Oh, oh, look at this. Oh, it is $5. Oh, this one is back already. Oh. They have different fabric here. And gotta put that one back. The lemon, the cherry, the bee, and okay, remember the bookmark that I did? This is the blaze mat. Yeah, only one sided. They still have it here. It is right here. This is the bookmark that I did. This is the blaze mat. Yeah, only one. Oh. And they also have these on. What is the name? Okay, and they also have these. Oh, oh my gosh, that's so cute. There's Slash. My birthday is April 30, and this Rainbow. My birthday is November 10. These, hold on, can't open. Sheldon. My birthday is December 30. Oh, and these. Okay. Oh, one hand. Okay. Cruiser. My birthday is April 7. I wonder if they are the same birthday. Hold on. I'll do that again. So hard to squeeze. Okay, they have the clarifying toner pads, brightening pad. I think I've seen this. I think I have this. I haven't used it, but I haven't. I gotta use everything first. The serum, this fully stocked, and the hand sanitizer. I still have those. Are they new? No, I still have the same one. I need the new scents. I think sugar and the same scent. I think what I want is over there, but it's empty. So this is another store. They have a lot like this. Like look. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, this is done. They also have devil. I think I already have that. They have different colors. They have the black. They have the green apple now. I don't know Dollar General if they have that. The palm olive. Ajax. How much is this? Hidden, no price. Wonder how much is it?